Prepackaged sandwiches, found everywhere from convenience stores to supermarkets, are a key part of our fast-paced lives. Despite their simplicity, there's a complex process behind their production, involving advanced machinery and careful quality control. This process ensures that these convenient meals are both tasty and safe to consume. So, how do they do it? The sandwich, a staple in our diets, owes its name to John Montagu, the fourth Earl of Sandwich. Legend has it, Montagu, an avid gambler, requested meat tucked between two slices of bread to avoid interrupting his game. This convenient eating method spread quickly, becoming a beloved meal worldwide. Its simple yet versatile nature allows for endless variations, making the sandwich a universal favorite across cultures. Since the 1920s, sandwiches became a staple in cafes, railway stations, pubs, and diners, thanks to the revolutionary invention of sliced bread. Back then, sandwiches would often sit out unwrapped, slowly drying and curling at the edges until someone decided to take a bite. This was a common sight in Britain all the way through the 1970s. The term British rail sandwich became a bit of a joke, often used to describe a less than appetizing meal you might find at a train station cafe or on board. Then, in 1979, something changed. Marks & Spencer, a British store chain, decided to shake things up by introducing a small selection of chilled, pre-made sandwiches. These weren't your ordinary sandwiches. They came in wedge-shaped boxes that were sealed tight to lock in the freshness. This small experiment in just 5 stores quickly caught on, expanding to over 100 locations. The popularity of these convenient, fresh sandwiches was undeniable, and within a year, Marks & Spencer was on the hunt for a way to produce sandwiches on a massive scale. By the time the 80s came to an end, the sandwich game in Britain had transformed completely, growing to a €1 billion industry. Fast forward to 2017, and the British sandwich market was a whopping €8 billion powerhouse, all thanks to a little innovation and a lot of love for a good sandwich. Let's break down how prepackaged sandwiches are made, starting with the bread. It all begins with fresh bread being loaded onto a machine. Workers check each slice for any imperfections, ensuring only the best make it to the next step. Next up, machines take over to spread butter and mayonnaise. These machines are precise, making sure every slice gets an even coating. No globs or dry spots are allowed. When it comes to adding the fillings, things can vary. For custom orders, workers place ingredients like cold cuts or cheese onto the bread by hand. But for bulk orders, machines step in to add the fillings. The final steps are cutting and packaging. Ultrasonic blades cut the sandwiches cleanly, without messing up the fillings. Then, the sandwiches are immediately packaged to keep them fresh. But how do they decide which sandwich is made by hand and which by machine? For those big, bulk orders where every sandwich is the same, fully automated assembly lines take the stage. Imagine robotic arms moving with precision, placing slices of bread, spread fillings, and assembling each sandwich with a consistency no human could match. This makes sure every sandwich is exactly the same bite after bite. On the flip side, when a sandwich needs a special touch or specific ingredients, that's where manual labor comes in. Workers stand by the conveyor belts, adding those unique fillings or arranging ingredients in a particular way. This mix of human skill with machine efficiency allows for customization that machines alone can't achieve. It's this human touch that adds a bit of soul to the sandwiches, ensuring they meet specific requests and preferences. So, whether it's the robotic precision for those straightforward orders, or the careful hands for the custom ones, both play a crucial role in bringing your favorite prepackaged sandwiches from the factory to your hands. In the process of making prepackaged sandwiches, speed is key to ensure freshness. Sandwiches go from being made to arriving at stores within 12 hours. This quick delivery helps keep the sandwiches fresh when they reach you. Once on the shelf, they're designed to stay fresh for about 3 more days. This fast production and delivery cycle is crucial for maintaining the quality and taste of the sandwiches. Prepackaged sandwiches might just seem like a quick lunch option, but they're really proof of the innovation and convenience that permeates into our daily lives. From the humble beginnings of simple sandwiches at train stations to a multi-billion-dollar industry, the journey of the prepackaged sandwich is a story of culinary evolution. Curious about what else goes into making our lives convenient? Dive into the fascinating process behind how onions are brought to you. Click here to discover the secrets behind how onions are made.